The third cell organelle is the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. It is made of phospholipids. The plasma membrane is selectively permeable. Selectively permeable means it allows only selective molecules to pass through the membrane. It controls the entry and exit of selective materials in and out of the cell. Now coming to the function, the plasma membrane is a very vital important component. It is responsible for restricting what can enter and what can leave, what can exit the cell. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm contains all the cell organelles. It is a fluid content present inside the plasma membrane. It contains all specialized cell organelles. So cytoplasm main important function are to store the important chemicals. It acts as a physical basis of all metabolic activities. It keeps the cell fully expanded and provides turgidity. Now coming to the next cell organelle, endoplasmic reticulum. It is a large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. It looks like long tubules or bags. Its structure is similar to plasma membrane and it encloses a fluid called lumen. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, smooth and rough. Smooth rough endoplasmic reticulum does not contain ribosomes, whereas rough possesses ribosomes on its surface. This is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. You can see in case of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is devoid of ribosomes, whereas in case of rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are attached to the surface. Now coming to the functions, it is associated with synthesis, storage and transport of metabolic products. It gives internal support. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is concerned with protein synthesis, very important point. It also helps in formation of new cell membrane. Now coming to the fourth, ribosomes. Ribosomes are dense spherical granular particles. I have just discussed in endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are attached to endoplasmic reticulum. They are present in cytoplasm as well as in nucleus. A ribosome is composed of proteins and RNA. Ribosome's main important role is in protein synthesis. It is involved in synthesis of lysosomes as well. It helps in storage, modification and packaging of products in vesicles. The next important organelle is Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus. Golgi bodies consist of, we are discussing the structure, it consists of smooth, flattened cisterns. They are usually together in parallel rows. These membranes have connection with the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. The Golgi complex looks like a stack of pancakes made of membrane with smaller vacuoles or vesicles on either side of the main structure. This is the structure of Golgi apparatus. You can see there are stacking, there is a lot of stacked structures and there are vesicles on the either side, on both the side, right side and the left side. It is involved in synthesis of protein, lipids and carbohydrates. It is involved in process of lysosomes and peroxisomes. It forms complex sugars from simple sugars. It packages and dispackages the material synthesis near targets inside and outside the cell. It helps in storage, modification and packaging of products.